We are a really great sunny day today. It's the best of days for weather today, so it's really great that for the beginning of the races we have this good weather. Last days were more rainy and cold, but now it's really ideal for the canoe. Water is flat and there is no wind, so very good start for this World Championship. And the C1 U23 men 1000 meters hit one already started. We have 9 boats in this hit. The first goes directly to the final, 2-7 to the semi-final, and the rest out. Hungary is leading on Germany, Spain and Great Britain. And we have Great Britain with Thomas Lambert in lane 1, Germany with David Bauschke in lane 2, Ukraine Hole Zori, lane 3, lane 4 Czech Republic Adam Rudolph, lane 5 Hungary Christoph Koller, lane 6 Spain Pablo Crespo, lane 7 Armenia Georg Pilosian, lane 8 Egypt Mahmoud Shusha, and lane 9 with China with Yuan Ma. First to final, so it's quite important to have the first place. We have Hungary still leading the split time at 500 meters on Germany, Spain and Czech Republic. Christoph Koller for Hungary, leading at the moment. It seemed quite easily, but the race is still long to finish, so and now we can see all the boats going to the last split time. Christoph Koller seems still leading. And it is like this. Spain plus 4 seconds, Germany and Czech Republic. So it seems quite clear that the first to final will be Christoph Koller. They're now fording the last 100 meters. Let's see, the Czech Republic is trying to is doing the great effort to take first place. Maybe he will not do it, but for few centimeters, really. So at the end, Hungary, then Czech Republic, Germany and Spain. Great final for Adam Rudolph, Czech Republic. Not enough to gain the first place, but really great final for him. Yes, great effort. So for this, at least they struggle for go to the final, direct final. And we wait for the result now to take a look to the time. And here the photo finish with Koller and Rudolph, at the end quite reaching the Hungary boat. It has more than 4 seconds at the last split time. And here the result, 3 minute 55 both for